Here's a quick exercise for working active flexibility in your box split. It's fairly simple. It just involves starting with your feet together, standing up. You're going to slide your toes away from each other. Then you're going to slide your heels away from each other. Then you're going to do that again. You're going to slide your toes away, heels away. And then you're going to come back one step, heels and then toes. Then it goes toes away, heels away, toes away, heels away, heels back in, toes back in. So it's sort of a 2 steps out, 1 step in kind of approach. This should be fairly easy to start off with. You can make the steps as big as you like. But the idea is to go out as far as you're able to come back without any assistance from the ground. So as well as the active flexibility and the fact that you're getting further and further down into your splits while trying to remain balanced. You're also going to get a lot of ankle mobility work as well as internal, external rotation in and around your hips as well. So this is really good at working kind of all areas of the box split in a way that promotes strength in that position rather than sitting in it passively. Now, that being said, if being able to do a box split on the ground is your goal, feel free to test that out before and after. So what we want to know is what was your split like before? If you try this exercise and it improves, then you know that it's probably a good exercise for you to be doing. If you try it and it gets much worse, then maybe either scale it back, so maybe you don't go as far out, or we just look at something else entirely. But even though this might not feel like you're getting anywhere near where you could potentially go in your box split, it's a really good way to get your active flexibility more in line with the passive flexibility while still probably improving the passive flexibility a little bit. So while it will help with your ultimate goal, which is to get flat on the floor in your split, it will also go a great way into reducing your potential for injury, because there's going to be less room where if you go further and further, your body will actually be able to save itself from that position. So that's the exercise for today. Try it out. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any other flexibility goals you have, and I'll try and get a video made of those. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.